for joining us on Valley News Live. Some exciting news to share with you. We're expanding our Storm Team Skycam network now to include our view from southmost Fargo at the 32nd exit off of I-29. Our friends at Luther Family Ford helping us to keep our eyes on the skies in the Southern Valley. So we start here and we can take a view from our Corwinauto.com Skycam as well. That's looking at the showers off to the west down I-94, which has heavy traffic on it right now. And special thanks to our friends over at the Dakota Magic Casino. Here's a view from I-29 at exit 1. So things right now very high and dry, but our ability to show you what's going on across our area continues to expand here at Valley News Live. Thanks to all our friends out there. Here is what's going on across our area this evening. And we certainly have not as much heat here in the FM area with the skies being gray and passing showers here and there. We've stayed in the 70s for much of the day, just now getting up into the low 80s as we've had a little bit of filtered sunshine. Wind from the west-southwest is blowing at 11 miles per hour. You can see where the heat is though. Grand Forks 86, 86 in Wahpeton, Gwinner at 84. A batch of clouds and sprinkles here along I-94, keeping things just subtly cooler there. And it's plenty warm in Fergus Falls at 84 degrees at this hour. Here's a look at your hour-by-hour, our radar. We do have some thunderstorms north of the border. These are just garden variety showers moving eastbound along and south of the I-94 corridor in southern Barnes and western portions of Stutsman County. Not much will amount from those, but the potential is there tonight for severe weather where you see the green colors. I don't expect it to be widespread like we've seen a few of the last nights, but tonight we still have some spin in our atmosphere, so a tornado is possible if a storm does take off. And let's get to that forecast to show you how things are expected to pan out. We do have unsettled air. We do have hot and humid air across portions of the valley. Anywhere a storm may form tonight, our model shows mainly in northwest Minnesota, there'll be a risk for that to become severe. So let's call it very isolated thunderstorms for our evening chances here in the valley. As we head to bed, we'll have mostly clear skies and temperatures slowly falling through the 60s. It'll still have that muggy feel to it. We could have, by morning though, some patchy dense fog and more showers moving in with another wave of energy in the mid-levels of the atmosphere. Temperatures in the 60s to start your fabulous Friday. Then as we go through the early morning to midday hours, we'll have a chance in the central Red River Valley along and south of Highway 200 for a few pop-up showers and thunder showers in the middle of our day. Those will dissipate as we head into the afternoon and ship off to the east. Look at the temperature difference across our region. Low 70s for Rolla, mid 70s Langdon, and tomorrow afternoon near the Twin Cities, some 90-degree sizzle will be in order there. We're kind of in that transition zone from Jamestown through Fargo and through places like Fosston, where we'll have generally 75 to 80 degrees. Tomorrow evening looks quiet, so if the Thunderbirds are practicing, well, you should be able to see them. Here's a look at what's going on for tomorrow in Fargo, 63 in the morning to start. Wind with a little bit more of a northerly component to it. This is going to transition us to cooler temperatures. We'll see 81 still tomorrow, so still plenty seasonable. But the 70s are on their way from the north and west. 75 in Langdon, 76 in Roseau, and in Bemidji as well. But the heat, the farther south and east you go, could still be in the mid-80s just outside of our viewing area. Yesterday's tornado-warned storm that moved through the Carp, Minnesota area, a funnel was captured there by that. Thank you for sharing your photo. Saturday, the Big Fargo Air Show now looks dry and it looks awesome. Temperatures in those comfortable 80-degree readings and 70s on a cooler Sunday. That lasts into Monday. And look at that dry stretch of weather from Saturday through Wednesday. No significant chance of rain. I'll take it. Yeah. It's been a wild ride. It's been a wet ride. There is water standing in fields, but a break is needed.
Dry weekend is always nice.
You bet.
Thanks, Hedge.